Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we're going to be checking out this super cool 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71. Now before we get started with the video, if you guys want a free quote today on the Chevy Tahoe or any new or used vehicle, click the link in the description to get a free quote today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and check out this awesome off-road SUV. So this is the 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71. Blacked out Chevrolet bow tie, Z71 badge here in the middle with completely blacked out accents. This one's also finished in the blacked out paint, and you're gonna have LED accented headlights with 2 red tow hooks underneath and a metal skid plate. Super gorgeous front end. Underneath the hood we have a 6.2 liter V8 that makes around 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, with towing capacity being 8,100 pounds. Now moving to the wheels on the Chevy Tahoe Z71, these are wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler Territory AT tires. The size on these tires is going to be 275 60 20s. They're the same size up front as they are in the back. Now this one has a couple packages on it which gives it air suspension, as you can see there, and an electronic limited slip differential. Side profile on the Chevy Tahoe is absolutely gorgeous with your Z71 badging right there. Push buttons on the door handles so you can lock or unlock the vehicle with the key in your pocket, which is super convenient. 360 camera system, so you have cameras underneath the mirrors, you have a camera up front, and you also have a camera on the back tailgate. Let's go ahead and loop around to the back. Also worth noting that we do have air suspension in the back as well. So with the 6.2 liter V8, you're going to have your quad exhaust tips. Underneath here is your tow hitch receiver, where again, you have a 4-pin and a 6-pin connector with 8,100 pounds of towing capacity. Now you can open up this back glass right here by using the key, or you can push this button right here and that'll pop it right open. So this is super useful if you need to change your rear windshield wiper or throw stuff in and out the back of this vehicle. Speaking of the key, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So let me go ahead and pull it out of my pocket. You have lock, unlock, remote start. You can open up the back hatch and you can open up that back glass. There's a panic button as well on the key. If you want to open up the back hatch completely, you can push this button right here and she'll open right up for you. So this is a 3-row SUV. This is all the storage space you're going to have behind the 3rd row. There's also storage underneath, and you can fold down these seats by pressing this button right here. One's for the left side and one is for the right side. That's with the 3rd row laid down flat, so you still have enough seating for 4 people and to have all of this storage space. Now you can also fold down the 2nd row by double tapping this button and double tapping it again. Now you can do the same thing on the right one by pressing the other side. Right by that, you're going to have a 3-prong, but tons of storage capability back here. You could power back up the 3rd row, but you cannot do that with the 2nd row. You have to go up there and manually fold back up on it. Headrest that flip up, and this is your seatbelt for the middle passenger in the 3rd row. So total seating capacity for this 3-row SUV with the captain's chairs is going to be 7 people. So you can seat 3 people in the 3rd row, 2 in the 2nd, and then 2 up front. Here's your gas cap. Premium fuel is recommended for the 6.2 liter V8 with a capless gas fill system. Now let's go ahead and open up the door right here and take a look at the accents inside. So you have the wood grain along here, you have your beautiful black leather with stitching, aluminum door handles, unlock, lock, all of your window controls, storage up top, in the middle, and down below. This one has the Bose audio system, so you're going to have that logo displayed on this side and the other side as well. This is what it looks like with the 2nd row flipped up. These seats are fully adjustable, so if you manually put them back up like this, these are the captain's chairs that are wrapped in leather. You can move them forwards or backwards by pulling up on this handle, and you can also fold them back down by pulling on this lever. Let's go ahead and hop in the 3rd row and see how much space we have. So I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day. Pretty good headroom back here. There is divots up here, so I have added headroom. There's an AC vent for me and my other passenger. Cup holder, storage, USB-C, everything I need to stay comfortable back here. So if I move to the other side, this will give you an idea of the legroom. That is with the seat all the way up, but you can move it forwards and backwards if this passenger right here needs more space. Cool little feature on this car, if you hit this button, can fold down the seats from the third row. You can do that on the passenger side and the driver's side, so they both have that button. Another way you can accomplish that is by the loop tab on the back of the seats. So you have this tab right here that you can pull on if I can get it out. Ugh. This vehicle has not been through the shop yet, so I apologize about that. Same thing. So whether you want to use it power, manually, you could do it 1,000 different ways. Now, if we move up to the second row and take a seat, let's go ahead and put these bad boys back up. This is with the seat all the way up. Like I said, it's fully adjustable. You can move it forwards, backwards, do whatever you want to do, but tons of leg room either way. Storage behind the driver's seat and the passenger seat, 2 cup holders, all of your AC controls, and we have heated captain's chairs. 2 USB-Cs with a 3-prong outlet down below. Absolutely wonderful to sit back here. You also have a moonroof that extends all the way out to the second row. AC vent on both sides with our lights right above that. Now let's go ahead and jump out of this beast and hop up to the driver's seat. Same accents up here. We have our mirrors that power fold in, and they have a little car in the corner that will light up orange if there's something in your blind spot. If you want to fold in the mirrors, you can press this button. If you're in tight spaces, all of your window controls, we have memory seats with 2 different settings and an exit setting as well. Storage up top, middle, and below with the Bose Audio logo. Chevrolet sill plates, full power seat on the driver and passenger side, so you can move it forwards, backwards, up, down, recline, and adjust your lumbar. Let's go ahead and hop inside because it is 1,000 degrees out here, and we'll power this bad boy on. So push button start. Turn up the AC. We have dual zone climate, so the passenger side can be different from the driver's side. Heated seats on the driver and passenger side. USB-C, USB. We have a cigarette lighter port, wireless phone charger, 2 cup holders, phone holder with the center console with plenty of storage space. Now there's another USB-C and another USB inside of there, so you can charge 1,000 devices at the same time. Leather wrapped steering wheel with a black Chevrolet bow tie. We have paddles behind the steering wheel. So the left side will let you scroll up and down through your favorite music, and the right side will let you turn your volume up and down. We have a power adjustable steering wheel that goes forwards, backwards, up, and down. Absolutely gorgeous. So we have a heated steering wheel, forward collision buttons, cruise control. You can go up and down through our little menu right there and go left and right. In our infotainment display up there, it is completely digital. So you can see your settings, phone, navigation, music, and vehicle information. In this information tab, you'll see everything you need to know to stay up to date on your vehicle's status. This screen is fully customizable. You can customize the left side, right side, lower gauges, whatever you want to do to fit your preference. You can also see how much fuel range we have and how many miles are on the vehicle. All of our windshield wiper controls are on the left side. And no column mounted shifter, we have buttons. So you push for park, pull for reverse, push for neutral, pull for drive, and then push for L mode. L mode lets you manually select the gears so you can go down or up through the gears. And if we go in reverse, we have our backup camera. So we can see behind us, in front of us, we have a zoomed in front. Zoomed in back, we can see our back wheels, front wheels, and our tow hitch. Now you can turn off the surround view by pressing the button all the way to the right. Don't know why you would do that, but that is an option. So we'll push the P to go back and park, hit X on here, and we can explore our infotainment screen here in the center. Now this screen has built-in Google Maps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth. There's also a trailering app if you're pulling a trailer, but nice and responsive. I'm really a big fan of the screen. I just wish it was bigger. On the left side of the steering wheel, we're going to have an electronic parking brake, lane keep assist, front and back parking sensors, automatic stop start, 360 camera, which is pretty much the backup camera that you can pull up at any time. Hill descent for steep roads, traction control, and all of our four-wheel drive controls. So as you can see down there, we have auto, 4 high, 2 high, 4 low, and we can change our drive mode. So the way you do that is by flipping this to the left or right. On this vehicle, we have normal, sport, off-road, and tow and haul. You can also raise or lower this vehicle by pushing the button below that to go to entry exit ground clearance, normal ground clearance, increased ground clearance, and maximum ground clearance. I'm going to raise it all the way up because why not? fully automatic light controls. We have a trailer brake controller. And that's pretty much it for the inside of the 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71. This sunshade does open all the way up, and you can open up your sunroof just like any normal sunroof. So that is absolutely beautiful. I'm a big fan of that. 3 different garage door openers. We can open up the tailgate by pushing this button right here, and you can close it the same way. That is fully adjustable, so you can have it open all the way up, 3/4, or cut it off completely. These are your sunroof controls, and you do have OnStar in this vehicle. So guys, make sure you let me know your thoughts on the 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71 in the comments down below. This is an absolutely gorgeous off-road beast. We'll take one last look at the outside, and then we'll take a look at the window sticker and see how much this specific one costs. Now, if you guys want more pricing information, check out the link in the description to get a free quote today on the vehicle of your dreams. It could be a Chevy Tahoe or any new or used vehicle. Really doesn't matter. I'm here to help you out. But man, what a beast. I would drive this thing every day if I could, but I can't afford the gas mileage and I can't afford the vehicle, unfortunately. Maybe one day. So let's go ahead and take a look at the price. So this is the 2024 Tahoe 4-wheel drive Z71, black on black with a 6.2 liter V8 and 10-speed automatic transmission. Base price of the Z71 is going to be $66,300. We have the off-road capability package, off-road performance package, luxury package, sunroof, max trailering package, and we have the second row captain's chairs. So with that humongous destination charge, total price comes out to $78,770. Miles per gallon is going to be 14 city, 18 highway, and here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause the video and check it out. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed watching until the very end, leave a like on this video, subscribe down below for more car content. Also, you'll see some videos here in the corners. If you see anything that interests you, make sure to click on those and check them out. But that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.